Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. Today we have the Mini GT Nissan LB-ER34 Super Silhouette Skyline in red and black. Let's take a quick look at the back of the box. So we can see this is officially licensed by Nissan. Let me see if there is something more. Okay, here's the Mini GT logo and we have the Liberty Walk logo. Let's get straight to the unboxing. So guys, if you love to see unboxing like this, consider subscribing to my channel. You will get more such content. Oops. Okay, finally got it. Here's the car, guys. Let me take it out. Beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful. I have got no words to explain this. Okay, this is red and black combination looks awesome. Uh, I am just speechless, but I won't keep you guys waiting. Let's get to it. Let me zoom in. So let's start with the tires. So we have the Advan logo, okay, at the front and on the tires as well. Okay, let's see if it rolls. Yeah, it rolls smoothly. Okay, we have the Liberty Work logo here. We have the Nismo branding. Okay, we have some text here, guys. So, of course, this is the Japan flag, and it says, "Imagine all the people living life in peace." Okay, there is a small, like, what to say, a typo here. Not a huge thing, but I have seen the actual car. Okay, you guys can also check it out by seeing, I mean, of course, on social media. So here you see, right, the word living. So the letter L is in caps. It is actually on the like on the real car, it is actually in lowercase. Okay, it is in small letters. So that's a minor typo, I know, but my job is to review these. So yeah, definitely, if that bothers you, stay away from this model. Okay, we have some branding here. Okay, here's of course again the Liberty Walk logo. Okay, we have the exhaust here, nice, but it is not hollow. Okay, so yeah, it is not hollow. Let's get towards the rear end. Again, the Liberty Walk logo. Okay, and at the back of the tires, where is the branding? Okay, yeah, here we have again the Advan logo here, and also towards the rear end. Okay, let's take a look at the front of the car. Let's start here. Okay, here we have the wide Liberty Walk logo again. Okay, the headlights look nice. I like it, I dig it. It looks nice, I will say. Hopefully you guys agree with me. The front grille, the Nissan logo. Okay, and guys, we have the wiper grills as well, which is, I will say, definitely a nice touch. On the top, we have nothing here. Okay, let's check the rear of the car. Okay, this red backlights, right? So even though the body here is in red, but still this red backlights stand out. It is not completely hidden, which is definitely a good sign. Okay, we have the Nissan logo. Okay, not much details here. Maybe they could have given a number plate or something, but they didn't. Anyway, let's quickly take a look at the bottom of the car. Okay, this looks really nice. They have added bottom details to this car, guys. Very, very good news, and definitely I feel such a legendary car deserves it. Here's the exhaust painted. That's nice. That's a nice touch. That's a nice touch. Ideally, these cars should have it. It does not. It does not come cheap, right? So yeah, It definitely should have it. Okay, we have the seats in red as well, as you can see. Nice. I don't know why, after putting in so much efforts, Mini GT does not color this mirrors, right? So on the actual car, guys, so it is in red. Okay, so of course the body is in red, the mirrors also go in red. On the Hot Wheels one, it is painted. I expect better from Mini GT, but it is what it is. So if that bothers you, yeah, just letting you know. Okay, let me zoom out quickly, and let's take a quick look from the front as well. And guys, from the back as well. There's a YOLO roll cage, which looks, I will say it looks nice. It goes well with this red. And I think the one thing which I have not reviewed is the back here. So again, let me zoom in. Okay, so okay, here we have the wiper details here as well. Again, a nice touch. Mini did a lot of things right with this casting, I have to say. Here we have Advan, Liberty Work, all of those logos. And here's the wing, again with the Liberty Walk branding. Okay, let's take a quick look from the back as well. Let me zoom out. Just a bit lighting. I think this is a better angle. Okay, let's do a quick roll test, guys. Okay, rolls nicely. So if that's what you're looking for, yeah, it's all good. So that's it from this video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe. See you guys on the next one.